Yes, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I will introduce you an AI and tools for translating web pages, PDFs, images, and so on. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your Google Chrome or any browser you have downloaded or and installed it on your PC. So I'm going to open Google Chrome and website called Lufe.ai. Okay, enter it. What is a Lufe.ai? It is an AI powered translation for web pages, PDFs, and images using Gemini, OpenAI, and Cloud Agents. The perfect tools for language learners to read and understand content in any language. Yes, as I mentioned, you can translate text, you can translate images, you can translate PDF and web pages. Luffy AI is very fast, and you can choose your own language. It supports many languages such as Korean, French, Spanish, Portuguese, and German, and so on. Okay. So are you ready? So I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? Let's first try text translation. Click on that. Here you can type your text, for example, hi, how are you? This is an English text, so I'm going to translate into German, and you can choose your own language. As you can see, it supports many languages. And click translate. Hallo, wie geht es dir? That's used for text translation. If you have an image of text, you can also translate with these tools. Click on that image translation. You can go and select your image, as you can see here. So I have an image, which is this one. It is a screenshot of text. Okay, I'm going to choose this image. Click open. This is not a text, this is an image of text. Okay, how to translate with this? Very easy. Just click on that. It will generate first the original text. As you can see, this is an image on the left side, and the right side you have the text, and at the same time you have the translation into German, as you can see, and you can choose the language from here. It is very powerful. And how to translate PDF? Just click on PDF, select your PDF. So I have a PDF file on my for example this one. Okay, click PDF file. It is in English, and it will be translated into German, as you can see, and you can also play audio.
Sparen Sie Zeit in Word mit neuen Schaltflächen, die dort angezeigt werden, wo Sie sie benötigen. Wenn Sie die Art und Weise ändern möchten, wie ein Bild in Ihr Dokument eingefügt wird, klicken Sie darauf und daneben wird eine Schaltfläche für die Layout-Optionen angezeigt. Wenn Sie an einer Tabelle arbeiten, klicken Sie auf die Stelle, an der Sie eine Zeile oder Spalte hinzufügen möchten, und klicken Sie dann auf das Pluszeichen. Auch das Lesen ist in der neuen Leseansicht Videos sind eine wirkungsvolle Möglichkeit, Sie können Teile des Dokuments reduzieren und sich auf den gewünschten Text konzentrieren. Wenn Sie mit dem Einbettungscode für das Video einfügen, bevor Sie das Ende erreicht haben, merkt sich Word, Sie können auch Einstichworte eingeben, auch auf einem online nach dem Video zu suchen, das am besten zu Ihrem Dokument passt.
And click add. Okay, let me click on add. It is an extension for Google Chrome. Okay, click on add extension. It is used to translate web pages. Okay, as you can see, you can also change the language. Let me go with English and escape. Successfully pinned. As you can see, this one. And now how to translate web pages with Lufe.ai. Very easy. For example, I'm going to open a website, a web page, for example, BGT. Okay. And as you can see, it is in English, so you don't understand the English language. So how to translate these web pages? Very easy. Just click on the extension and click on Lufe.ai, and here you can choose your own language and which language you want to translate the web page. For example, I'm going to translate into German. Okay, and click translate. As you can see, Bureau, Briefpapier, PC, Component, Periphergeräte, and as you can see, everything has been translated into German. That's how you can translate web pages with these AI tools. That's it, guys. I hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I will put the link on the description. You can just go and use it for free. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, as I mentioned, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.